Meantime, in Madison, a new ordinance designed to save lives from fire takes effect in about 2 weeks. NBC 15's Dana Bruick has what you need to know to comply.
Good morning, Hill Electric.
We get a lot of calls, and mostly it's people that really just want to meet the ordinance.
Jim Beyer says the calls about a new requirement for smoke detectors have been steady.
I think the biggest question is, where do you have to put them?
The questions surround an ordinance passed by the Madison City Council in March of last year.
The motion is to adopt.
The measure came after a series of deadly fires in 2007, one of which killed 23-year-old UW La Crosse student Peter Talon in downtown Madison.
This ordinance will forever be known as the Peter Talon smoke alarm ordinance.
What we found after Peter died was the house had 6 smoke alarms. Only one was working. The rest had been disabled.
The ordinance requires tamper-resistant smoke alarms with 10-year lithium batteries.
Right now, all you have to do is pop this open and take it out. That's not going to happen anymore. The battery stays in for the life of the alarm. When the battery's gone, the whole thing gets replaced.
The measure took effect last August for rental and multifamily dwellings. It takes effect August 15th for owner-occupied single-family homes. And here's where the alarms need to go. In each bedroom or sleeping area, within 6 feet of each door leading to a bedroom or a sleeping area, and on each floor.
I would say that for a home, 4 or 5 smoke detectors, you're probably talking about somewhere in the $200 range, something like that.
Beyer considers it a small price to pay for its life-saving potential, and he says people can make the changes themselves. In Madison, Dana Bruick, NBC 15 News.
Keep in mind, the typical 9-volt battery still will be used as a battery backup to a hardwired system. Fire officials say they will have some free smoke alarms available for those who need them but cannot afford replacements. You should call the fire department at 266-4709 for more information.